Good morning, students. The world is going through difficult situation. Hope all of you are at home and safe. Let's start with our studies. We are going to start with linear equations in two variables. Weightage for this chapter with option is 12 marks. Last year, in this chapter, you studied different methods of solving the equations. One was method of elimination, then method of substitution. This year, you are going to solve two more methods, that is graphical method and another one is Cramer's rule. Do you remember general form of linear equations in two variables? Yes, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here, a and b are the coefficients of x and y respectively, and c is a constant. All these a, b and c are members of set of real numbers. With that, one important condition is there, that is a and b are not equal to 0 at the same time. Why it is called as linear equation in two variables? Because degree of variable x as well as y is equal to 1. Now we are going to solve activity in your textbook from page number 1. So all of you open your textbook and complete this activity using pencil. See, here in the table equations are given and we have to write, is the equation a linear equation in two variables? First one is 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Answer is written in the textbook yes. Why? Because degree of m and n is equal to 1 as well as 4, 3 and 12 are the members of set of real numbers. So both the conditions are satisfied. Next is 3x square. Next equation 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. What is the degree of x? Yes, it is 2. Degree of y is 1. So it is not satisfying the condition. So it is not a linear equation in two variables. See the third equation. Root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16. Again, degree of x as well as y is equal to 1 and root 2, root 5 and 16 are members of set of real numbers. That is why it is a linear equation in two variables. See the next equation. 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now you should remember very important condition, that is a and b are not equal to 0 at the same time. So here a is 0 but b is not equal to 0, as well as satisfying the condition, that is degree of x and y is equal to 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation in two variables. Now see the next equation. Here, same logic is applicable for the fifth equation. Therefore, we can say that it is a linear equation in two variables. Now see the sixth equation. 4 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. What is the degree of x as well as y? Yes, it is minus 1. Therefore, it is not a linear equation in two variables. Last equation, 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. Children, you must be remembering definition of degree, that highest power of the variable in the equation. Last year even we came across such equations, that is 4xy, when there are two variables. Here degree of the equation is 2. Therefore it is also not a linear equation in two variables. Now we are going to see how to solve linear equations in two variables. So for that, first we are going to complete one activity from your textbook. So all of you open page number 3 from your textbook. Here equations are 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Another one is 5x minus y is equal to 18. As I said, we are going to use mostly method of elimination. So here it is given, let's solve the equations by eliminating y. Fill suitably the boxes below. Children, it is an activity based question. Such type of questions can be asked in the exam. So you have to use the method which is asked. What is the next step? Multiplying equation 2 by 2. So it is 5x into 2 minus y into 2 is equal to 18 into 2. So your equation will become 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. Here we have made the coefficients, that is in the equation 1 coefficient of y is plus 2 and in equation 3 it is minus 2. So they are with opposite sign. That is why we have to do the addition. So here it is written, let's add equations 1 and 3. So first equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. Next is 10x minus 2y is equal to 36. We are going to do the addition. So 3x plus 10x will become 13x. Y is going to get eliminated. So 29 plus 36 is equal to 65. Here operation between 13 and x is multiplication. So while finding the value of x, we have to do 65 divided by 13, that is x is equal to 5. Substituting x is equal to 5 in equation 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 29. So 3 into, we have to substitute the value of x into 5 plus 2y is equal to 29. 3 5s are 15 plus 2y is equal to 29. Therefore, 2y is equal to 29 minus 15. So 2y is equal to 14. So again y is equal to 14 divided by 2. So y is equal to 7. When we are writing the solution for linear equations in two variables, we always write variable x first and y later on, and we always write it in the round bracket. So xy is equal to 5, 7 is the solution. This is the way you are supposed to write the solution, and remember children, it carries marks in the board exam. Now based on this, we are going to solve practice set 1.1. First question is again activity based. See, complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equations. First equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Second equation, see children, there is a printing mistake. In the textbook it is printed as 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. But it should be 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now we are going to fill in the boxes. So be ready with your pencil and start solving. Here, if you will observe, coefficient of y is plus 3 and in equation second it is minus 3. So we have to do the addition. So 5x plus 2x, that is 7x, is equal to 21. So x is equal to 21 upon 7. Therefore x is equal to 3. Place x is equal to 3 in equation 1. So 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. 5 3s are 15. So 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 3y is equal to 9 minus 15. You must be remembering operation on integers. So 9 minus 15 is minus 6. 3y is equal to minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. Y is equal to minus 2. Solution is xy is equal to 3 comma minus 2. You must have written all the boxes in the activity. Now let's start with the second sum. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Children, you are also going to write this in your notebook and you will solve. First one is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. And next equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. We can either eliminate a or b. If I want to eliminate a, then I have to multiply equation 2 by 3. But if I want to eliminate b, you will observe that coefficients of b are same. So what I need to do is subtraction. So what is more easy is to eliminate b. So we will eliminate b. So we are going to do subtraction. When you are subtracting equation, then sign of second equation gets changed. So 3a minus a will become 2a. B is going to get eliminated. 26 minus 22 will become equal to 4. So 2a is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. When we are solving linear equations, then we get the value for one variable and that value we substitute in any one of the equations. So it is easy to substitute in equation 2. So it will be 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. So 5b is equal to 22 minus 2, which is equal to 20. So b is equal to 20 divided by 5, which is equal to 4. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4. So ab is equal to 2, 4 is the solution. You can check your answer by substituting a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. See, if you substitute a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 4s are 20. So 6 plus 20 is equal to 26. Same way, 2 plus 20, 5 4s are 20 is equal to 22. So both equations are getting satisfied. Therefore, our answer is correct. Let's see the next sum. That is x plus 7y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Children, when we are solving, linear equations, then we eliminate one of the variable, and for that we have to make coefficient of one of the variable equal. Here, if you will observe, coefficient of x in first equation, here nothing is written, means it is 1, not 0. Coefficient of y is 7. In equation 2, coefficient of x is 3. And here coefficient of y is -2. So we can make one of the coefficient of one of the variable equal. So instead of multiplying both the equations by 7 and here by 2, we can eliminate x. So we can make the coefficient of x same. For that, we will multiply equation 1 by 3. So it will become 3x plus 21y is equal to 30. Now again coefficients are same, sign is same, so we need to do subtraction. So sign of second equation will get changed. So it will become 21y plus 2y, which is 23y, is equal to 30 minus 7, which is equal to 23. Therefore, y is equal to 23 divided by 23, which is equal to 1. Now we will substitute y is equal to 1 in equation 2. So 3x minus 2 into 1, that is 2, is equal to 7. Therefore, 3x is equal to 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, xy is equal to 3, 1 is the solution. Let's solve the next example. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 13. What do you observe? Here, coefficients of x are same. So, it is easy that we can eliminate x and just by doing subtraction. So, we will subtract equation 2 from 1. So, it will become minus 3y. Now sign of y, as we are subtracting equation 2, here plus will become minus. So minus 3y minus y will become minus 4y is equal to 9 plus 13 will become minus 13 is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 4, which is equal to 1. Now substituting y is equal to 1 in equation 2. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 1 is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. Again xy is equal to 6, 1 is the solution. In the previous sum, as I told you that you can check your answer, same way here also you can check your solution by substituting the values of x and y in both the equations. Now example 6 in the practice set, it is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. No need to worry about fractions. We can simplify this equation. And another one is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. To simplify first equation, we need to multiply complete equation by 3. So we will get x plus 3y is equal to 10. In the second equation, we need to multiply equation by 4. So we will get 8x plus y is equal to 11. Now as we solved the second sum, same way here you can either make coefficient of x equal or coefficient of y equal, and then you will solve these equations simultaneously. So you will complete this sum. So this is for homework. Next one, that is example 8. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172. Another equation is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Now observe these two equations. There is a difference between the equations which we have solved previously and these two. Here, coefficients of x and y are interchanged in both the equations. 49, 49 here, 57, 57. When such type of equations are there, there is a particular way of solving these equations to make it easy. What we do? First, we add these two equations. 49x plus 57x will become 106x minus 57y minus 49y, that is minus 106y is equal to 424. Generally, when we get such equation, this equation is divisible by the coefficients of x and y. So, we are going to divide this equation completely by 106. So, we will get x minus y is equal to 4. This is our equation 3. Then, we are going to subtract equation 2 from 1. Then, we will get again sign of second equation will get changed. So 49x minus 57x is equal to minus 8x, then minus 8y is equal to minus 80. Again, all numbers are divisible by minus 8. So we are going to divide complete equation by minus 8. We get x plus y is equal to 10. Now we will solve equation 3 and equation 4 simultaneously. So x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. Here coefficients of y are minus 1 and 1. So we have to do the addition. Then it will become 2x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 7. This value of x is equal to 7, you can either substitute in equation 3 or 4. Here I have written that substituting x is equal to 7 in equation 3. And you are going to get the value of y. So instead of x, you substitute 7 minus y is equal to 4 and check whether you are getting the solution that y is equal to 3, and therefore xy is equal to 7, 3 is the solution of the given equations. Same way you can solve 7 sum. Now homework, that is from practice set, from question 2 you are going to solve problems 4, 5, 6 and 7. Thank you children.